All right, boys and girls, this is what I use after 10 years of making beats. So I call this the Trinity of beat making. It's my Trinity, all right? So number 1 it's the MIDI keyboard, which is the Arturia Keylab MK349 key. This is the best MIDI. Watch my other MIDI videos. I'm not going to go on a super long rant or story about it. But I've tried several different MIDIs, and this kind of is the combination of all the things that I look for. It has the right amount of keys, a decent amount width wise, like the number of keys, plus the drum pad, plus the software. All three are very solid. It's a very cool looking MIDI. I like the way it looks, and I always say like hardware is a big part of beat making. It is your beat making. Like it's what you're using to make the beats, the hardware and the software. So that one is special kin to me. It's one of those things I had to work my way up for because it is kind of an expensive MIDI. It wasn't always the MIDI I use, but it's the one I use now, and I love it. And I can't say much more about it. It's a great MIDI. Um, the other thing is the laptop, right? I think a lot of people ask about the laptop. I haven't made a laptop video, and I'll make a separate one where I go into more detail about that. But I use the XPS 1595010, and mine is several years old. I don't see the exact one here. I actually bought it from Dell.com, but I wanted to share at least the link because there's links to everything that I'm showing you here. So definitely check them out. But I wanted to at least share like the page where you can find one. Now these are renewed. I don't know exactly what all that means, renewed. But it is a lot cheaper if you buy it renewed. So it's probably better than. I can pretty much tell you that this is a solid laptop. I just, I just, I don't know about renewed laptops. I'll be honest with you, but that is the laptop that I use, the XPS 15950. I think there's like a newer version here, so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Now, if you purchase this one, you have the budget for it. This will work on FL Studio and more. It is very fast. I like the speed. It's a great laptop. Let's move on to the headphones because this one is more like straightforward. The ATH M50Xs. I mean, these are the pair of headphones. These are it, and they are great. And again, I've made videos on this, so check those out where I really talk about it in great detail. But man, just this will take your, if you haven't used real studio headphones while making beats, like you almost like haven't really made music. Like this will take your music up to a different level. And this pair specifically, I mean, it's a critically acclaimed 2K bought in the last month. I mean, that's a lot. They're making a lot of money. 2K sales is like, bro, if you sell anything 2K a month, that's pretty good. 2K on some $159 headphones. These guys are stacking, bro. But yeah, like it's that critically acclaimed for a reason. Like this pair of headphones is it. And I remember when I purchased this in 2021, I did a lot of research before even finding this pair. I don't know how I even got to it, but it was like so clear that I should get this pair when I was done researching. And yeah, it's definitely like an awesome pair of headphones. I cannot say enough about how great these headphones are and how important this is to my process. And then last we have FL Studio. I use FL Studio to make beats. I think FL Studio, there's two things I like, maybe three things I like about FL Studio. Number one, I mean, I'm really good at it at this point, so it's like me using something else would just like slow down the process. Number two, it's a very good product because they keep adding to it while keeping the price the same. So like the price has basically been the same for a really long time now. Like when I first got the producer edition, I think it was actually more expensive. It might have, because I think I recall paying $200, but it might have been $179. But and this was like literally like maybe 10 years ago. So like it's improved since then. They keep improving it and they keep keeping it the same price. It's a very affordable, very solid program, and it is super popular, which makes it, in my opinion, better because like there's more resources, and also it makes it easier to collab. So like if you're dealing with other music producers, especially if you're in like rap hip hop beats, which is the realm I'm most familiar with, um, if you're making music and you're trying to collab, FO Studio is accepted. You know what I'm saying? Like the other person you're collabing with probably uses FL Studio, and that definitely makes a big difference. So, like I said, if you're trying to learn from other producers, you'll watch them make beats on FL Studio, and then that's how you get better. It's like easier to learn that way, I'd say. And like I said, there's more resources, so there's more videos on little things like the one you're watching, and yada yada. So, that is the equipment that I use. With this channel, I share more equipment. That's like the things I do share. My process of making music, I kind of keep to myself nowadays because it's so honed, and I think that makes my music special, and it makes your music special too. Because I realize every good producer I've met, they all have a different process of making music. So it's just like your unique process is what makes your beats unique and great, and that's what makes human beats great. And that's like the human versus AI thing. Because I've experienced, I've used AI music, and like your process, this stuff here is a part of your process. So like this unique stuff, your unique experience or process while making music is what makes it great, is what makes it is critical. It is you. So I hope this video can help you just make the right decisions. Click the links in the description. Go ahead and purchase these products, honestly, because without a doubt, I mean, you might be able to find a laptop. I know the laptop's expensive or whatever. You might FL works with most laptops. Like I said, the reasons I suggest FL is because, like, especially in my industry, rap hip hop, it's almost like a no brainer to use. And but the headphones, for sure, you can't go wrong with these. And the MIDI, if you can afford this MIDI, you can't go wrong with it. If you're looking for other budget MIDIs, check out my other videos. I talk about the other MIDIs that I recommend that I've used. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Check out my music producer starter kit. I have links to these and more, just my takes on these different products. This is the only video so far that I've actually specifically mentioned my laptop that I use. So yeah, I don't, like I said, I share hardware, but my laptop is actually something I don't really tell anybody. So that's like a one of a kind thing in this video. Check out the music producer starter kit at slimegreenbeats.com. I'm gonna share a link to that in the description as well. I work with Slime. So yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.